And the award goes to, I've always been wanting to do this. Any guesses? Say it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together for my very favorite, Abhishek Bachchan for Sarkar.
Thank you very much. I have to thank a lot of people because there are a lot of people who make me do what I do. To start off with, Mr. Ram Gopal Verma for making such a wonderful film. The entire cast, entire crew behind Sarkar, which has really been the true heroes of this film. I'd like to thank my family for always being a wonderful source of support. Last but not least, my father, without whom this would not have been possible. The last time I got an award for Sarkar, I said this, I say it again, it's only because of him that we get these awards, because when you stand in a frame with him, you automatically get noticed. I want to dedicate this award to the two most beautiful people on earth, my nephew Agastya and my niece Navya, who were here. Look guys, Mamu won an award. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to acknowledge and salute another behind-the-scenes veteran. मैं एक ऐसी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हस्ती की बात कर रही हूँ जिनके राइटिंग टेबल पर कई बेहतरीन फिल्मों ने पहली सांस ली. अगर कहानी, स्क्रीन प्ले और डायलॉग्स अच्छे हो तो ऐसी फिल्म को स्पॉइल करने के लिए डायरेक्टर को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
Today IIFA wishes to honor a writer whose contribution to Hindi cinema has been tremendous. इन्होंने आपको 1988 में यतीम दी और 1989 में हथियार. And more recently he wrote the dialogues for Border, Refugee and LOC Kargil. This trilogy made us proud as Indians and made us proud of the men who have the imagination and vision to make films that touch our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, IIFA honors the legendary O.P. Datta for outstanding contribution to Indian cinema.
To present this award, please welcome Javed Akhtar Saab.
Good evening, Dubai. I must say that when I was asked to give this award, I had two simultaneous thoughts which on the face of it are contradictory. I thought, how appropriate, how wonderful, and I thought, how surprising, how unusual. It is wonderful and it is appropriate because we are giving respect and honor to someone whose career is 62 years long and is still going strong. And surprising because I thought that such awards are only meant for film stars and big filmmakers, not for writers. It has never happened before. I congratulate IIFA for giving this award to Mr. O.P. Datta. A writer par excellence whose versatility is beyond any doubt, who on one hand could capture the rural earthiness of India in Yatim, and on the other hand could show the underbelly of Indian urban society in Hathiar. On one hand, he could depict the nationalistic fervor of an army in Border. On the other hand, he is capturing the poetic ethos of Lucknow of 18th century in Umrao Jan. Sir, we are sorry that this award did not come to you much earlier, and forgive us for that. Ladies and gentlemen, let us see an AV about Mr. O.P. Datta.
O.P. Datta was born in northwest Punjab, Chakwal, now Pakistan. His first independent assignment was not as a film director, but as a music director for a film called Ram Shastri. He then wrote the screenplay and dialogue for hit films like Nargis and Aaj Ki Raat. In 1947, he directed his first feature film, Pyar Ki Jeet, which was a huge box office hit. It was then followed by hits like Hamari Manzil, Badi Behan, Ek Nazar, Parbat, and Malkin. Over the years, he went on to write for films Khazana, Chirag, Do Raste, Jeet, and Mastana. From the year 1976, he started to write for his son's directed films like Gulami, Yatim, Hatiyar, Batwara, Kshatriya, and Refugee.
आज हम बेवतन हैं, कोई हमें बांग्लादेशी समझता है, कोई पाकिस्तानी तो कोई हिंदुस्तानी, इंसान कोई नहीं समझता.
He has just finished work on the soon-to-be released film Umrao Jan, starring Aishwarya Rai, Abhishek Bachchan, Shabana Azmi, and Sunil Shetty, with a musical team of Javed Akhtar and Anu Malik.
एक मासूम बच्ची की चीख, घुंघरुओं की झनकार, एक रूह की पुकार, अमीरन की कहानी, उमराव जान की सतानी.
Ladies and gentlemen, with all humility at my disposal, I invite Mr. O.P. Datta on the stage. Let us give him a standing ovation.
"62 years is quite a lifetime, and what a lifetime it has been. Imagine a young man of 21 or 22, just out of his university, has a brush with cinema, and she was in her adolescence. I refer to cinema as she because she is not only beautiful, she is desirable. I am very thankful to IFA for having given me this award for a lifetime contribution to cinema, because my elders and seniors have taught me that giving is any time nobler than taking. There are certain principles which are not enacted by any legislators. They evolve themselves. One of them is lead the pack, follow the leader. If you can't do either, get out of the way. When